Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to choose different types of input tools on Gmail using your Android phone or tablet. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start by opening the Gmail app on your Android device. Step 2. At the top of the screen, tap on your profile picture. Step 3. Next, select Manage your Google account from the options. Step 4. Within the account settings, tap on Personal Info. Step 5. Scroll down and find General Preferences for the web, then tap on Input Tools. Step 6. Now you have the freedom to choose the languages and types of input tools you want to use. Explore the options and select the ones that best suit your needs. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to choose different types of input tools on Gmail using your Android device. This feature allows you to customize your Gmail experience and make it more convenient for your specific language requirements. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.